Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Mask in Crimson Desert. Mask allows you to do criminal behavior in the game. There are two ways to get a mask early in the game. You can obtain the first one by completing Jeffrey's bounty quest. This quest rewards you with a mask.
You wouldn't even see his fist before you.
Another way is by buying the mask from the back alley shop vendor. You can find the vendor in this part of the map.
Fortune favors the bold, not the careful.
And that is how to get Mask in Crimson Desert.
No one needs
Thank you so much for watching.
another deal.